press subscribe.
Kevin, I lost my hat. Dallas, Mia, and Zeppelin. What's up, YouTube? Just waking up, really tired after skating so hard yesterday. Pretty busy this morning, a lot of people out here surfing. We're gonna get ready to head over to our next spot. Catch up with you. What's up, YouTube? It's Kevin and Dallas. We just spent the night in Pacifica. We're at Montara Beach State Park, State Beach. It looked pretty cool when we were driving by last night. Gonna go for a little walk with the dogs. Probably continue driving down the coast further south. Do you want to go down here or do you want to keep going?
What do you want to do?
Go down here. It looks like you grab this rope and go down that way. I'm drinking this water. The trail pretty much stops here. It kind of goes that way. We're just gonna go down this part. Put Mia down, honestly. She could probably just kind of wiggle her way down. Now grab onto this rope. Turn around. You got it. Step down. Come here, Zeppy. Questionable, that's for sure. Good girl.
Good girl. Good girl, Mia.
Totally gonna play with this boat. It's a sweet boat. You wanna get the boat, Zeppy? Check this out. Stay here, Zeppy. Get it. Let's go. Oh my gosh. And we're going. Watch your step, babe. I was just gonna go back up this way.
Mia?
What? Oh, why did you follow me? That's a better question. So half pipe over here. And the ocean over here. What's up, YouTube? It's Kevin, KDMZ Adventures. Just wanted to talk to you guys about how we take care of showers while we're out on the road. That's why we're here at this spot. There's warm showers here. We stopped here to shower. We stopped here at Breakwater Cove Marina, the Coast Guard pier right now. They have hot showers for like $1. Got my stuff ready. I'm gonna go jump in the shower. Bella's just got hers. You went for the shower?
Yeah.
What's up, guys? I feel like I didn't really talk to you at all today. Anyways, we're just here at Starbucks right now. Super exhausted from skateboarding yesterday. We slept in pretty late today. Really busy today. It's Saturday. The weather's pretty nice. A lot of people out. I was working on one of my other videos for you guys. Now we're gonna go look for a place to stay for tonight. Catch up with you guys after we find a spot, or maybe tomorrow morning. Peace. We're on the right track. I see an RV, I see a van, some other cars parked out. Oh yeah, van with a tent popped up. Yeah.
Smash that like button and press subscribe.
Get the boat. Just waking up. Not even sure where exactly we are, to be honest. The sweet van over here. An RV stayed over here.